Welcome to Brainipedia EduTech Private Limited, your trusted partner in achieving academic excellence and career success. As one of India's leading education platforms, Brainipedia is dedicated to delivering top-notch learning resources and training to students from diverse backgrounds. Our mission is clear: to make quality education accessible to every student, regardless of their background. We believe that education is the cornerstone of a brighter future, and at Brainipedia, we are committed to ensuring that no dream goes unfulfilled. Driven by a vision to empower students nationwide, we offer comprehensive courses for competitive exams such as UPSC, NEET, IITG, SSC, Banking, and CGPSC. Our affordable, meticulously designed programs are tailored to help you achieve excellence. Brainipedia was founded on the belief that every student deserves an equal chance to succeed. Our team is inspired by the countless stories of transformation and achievement, and we are devoted to helping you carve your own path to success. Join Brainipedia EduTech today and take the first step toward turning your aspirations into reality. Together, let's create a future brimming with endless possibilities. At Brainipedia Skill, we offer a comprehensive range of courses to cater to every learner's needs. Competitive exams: prepare for SSC, UPSC, Banking, PSCs, and more. Medical and Engineering: master NEET and IITG with our specialized programs. School curriculum: detailed courses for classes 2 to 12 across all major boards. Our course features include personalized learning paths that adapt to your unique pace, live, interactive classes conducted by experienced educators, comprehensive study materials, and regular mock tests to track progress. We also offer unique programs such as crash courses for quick revisions, foundation programs for early preparation, and mentorship to guide students throughout their journey. What makes Brainipedia Skill your ideal choice? State-of-the-art technology. Enjoy an interactive learning experience with advanced tools. Experienced educators. Learn from the best in the industry with subject matter experts at your side. Adaptive learning. Progress at your own pace with tailored solutions for every student. For students and parents, Brainipedia Skill offers transparent progress tracking to keep you informed. Affordable education without compromising on quality. Access to resources anytime, anywhere, ensuring uninterrupted learning. Getting started with Brainipedia Skill. Visit our website or download the app. Register and select the course that suits your needs. Start learning with a few simple clicks. We offer flexible pricing plans, including scholarships and discounts for deserving students. Our website, Brainipedia Skills, is your gateway to world-class education, inspiring success stories, and a wealth of resources at your fingertips. Whether you're a student or a parent, Brainipedia Skills is here to support your learning journey with seamless navigation and valuable insights. It offers detailed course descriptions. Explore our trending exams, including CBSE Class I-12, specialized fields like mass communication, accountancy, and more. Competitive exams like UPSC, SSC CGL, and QET. From foundational school learning to professional certifications, we've got you covered. At Brainipedia Skills, you'll find everything you need under one roof. Live courses with expert instructors, engaging video lessons, an extensive e-library, and meticulously curated test series to help you practice and succeed. Looking for professional courses or IT placement preparation? Join 2 lakh plus learners with access to 600 plus live courses, 297 video tutorials, explore our daily updates section, where you'll find 2 powerful tools to enhance your knowledge. Current affairs. Get brief updates on all the latest happenings from around the world, perfect for staying ahead in competitive exams and discussions. Next, dive into daily news. Nuggets of information to keep you informed and inspired every day. Continue reading to unlock a world of knowledge at your fingertips. Explore our comprehensive exam preparation categories, including civil services exams with dedicated resources for UPSC and various state PSCs. Defense and police exams, tailored for those aiming to serve the nation. QET exam preparation, designed for college entrance success. Banking exam preparation to kickstart your career in the financial sector. Government exams, SSC and state level services. Gain expertise in computer concepts. Dive into the world of Android development with specialized courses. Prepare for top-notch MCA entrance exams. School level, state boards, perfect for students aiming for academic excellence. Insurance, build a career in the growing insurance sector with specialized resources. Welcome to Brainipedia Skills, a place where young minds grow, explore, and shine. At Brainipedia Skills, we believe every child is unique and full of potential. Our platform is designed to make learning fun, exciting, and effective. We offer a wide range of programs to help children build essential skills, from communication and creativity to problem solving and teamwork. Our expert educators use interactive methods and hands-on activities to make learning an adventure. Every milestone is celebrated at Brainipedia Skills, inspiring kids to keep exploring and achieving. Join Brainipedia Skill today and let's shape a future filled with opportunities and success. Brainipedia EduTech Private Limited, your partner in success.